In this video, I want to show you how to use an iPhone to record high quality audio. And what we need is two things. You need some sort of a microphone into the iPhone, and you need an application. So let me put my glasses on here. I have what's called a Smart Lav. This is made by Rode. Probably costs about $60, but I see it's new and improved, so maybe the price is up to $70. It's a great small microphone. This is what it looks like right here. It's a very high quality microphone that has a ring tip and ring tip sleeve connection that fits directly into the iPad. So I'll put that into the iPad now and just put it right into the headset jack. I say iPad, I'm on an iPhone. So let me put this back into the position so you can see it correctly. I'll take the iPad, I'll take the lavalier mic and I'll just clip it on next to my regular microphone here so you can hear it. The application that we use for this is called Rode Record. And Rode Record is, there's a free version and there's a version that's about $5. I think I have the professional version on here. You first open it up, it looks a little bit simplistic because you don't really see anything going on here. There's a settings button over to the right here. This lets you display the way that the programs, that your recordings are recorded. You can click on this, it loads up recordings and starts new recordings. And this is your microphone settings. And what we have here are how quickly the microphone refreshes, the refresh rate of the microphone. So this is like the lowest quality recording you can get. This is terrible sound quality. And this 48 kilohertz or 48,000 hertz is the highest quality that you can get. And you can record in mono or stereo if you have a stereo mic. This is a mono mic. I'm going to record at what's called 44.1 kilohertz or 44,100 hertz. So I'll say go back to that. All right, so then you can slide this. I'll just delete the recording that I've done there. So the application is pretty simple. You just simply click New Recording. It opens up the recording device. You can see right here at the top, this gives the indication of the level. And you can see it's moving. If I click on the microphone here, you can see how loud the microphone will need to be. And I'll put this up so it's just shy of going into the red. Red. There's just starting to come into the red. So I'll record this pretty hot. Okay, this is the record and this is play. And the waveform signal appears here. So I'll start to record. I'm recording now. I'm using my iPhone and I'm using the Smart Lav from Rode. Okay, there's the program. Now to play it back, you simply drag the audio track across the front. This is a little bit peculiar because it doesn't work like most things. You can drag down here or you can drag up here. Okay? Now if I play this, I don't hear anything. The reason is the microphone takes the headset spot, and so the audio is not coming out of the speaker. So I'll back it up now. I've removed the microphone. I'll hit play. I'm recording now. I'm using my iPhone and I'm using the Smart Lav from Rode. Now, once this is done, you can't do much with it until you either export it or send it. So over here on the share button, you click the share. Now you have several options. You can go to a project, a web-based sound sharing service called SoundCloud. You can send it to Dropbox. If you do file sharing, you can open it up through iMovie when you plug your iPhone in. You can email it to yourself, and you can send an FTP like we've done in some of our classes. I'll set up for an email. And what it does, it allows you to create this in a variety of different formats. So it now encodes this into a format. The top two are the highest quality. AIFF is the one for Mac, and WAV is the one for Windows. But to be honest with you, our editing programs can use either one. You can do an MP3, you can do an AAC. And there are a variety of this. I usually do a WAV. going to go back, I'm going to create the email. It prepares the file, it sets up the email, the file's attached, and I send it to myself. Ready to go. I'm going to delete the draft, I don't need that. I'm going to go back to share. If I set up with an FTP, you can set in your FTP information and it'll automatically upload to an FTP server. And once you've got the file converted and you've got it outputted to yourself, you're good to go. Now what I'll do is I'll play this file on the actual computer so you can hear it at high level and high fidelity. I'm recording now. I'm using my iPhone and I'm using the SmartLav from Rode. But this is a great app. It's about $5 for the iPhone, and with a microphone like the Rode SmartLav, your iPhone becomes a high-quality recording device.